Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a fillet on an edge in FreeCAD. So if you want to use this operation, you need to create a new empty file. So I select this one option, and after that we need to create here a new body. We need to create here a new sketch, and after that I select here XY plane and I click OK. After that I select here maybe rectangle and I click here on rectangle. Then I draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. And I click close button. Then I select here pad and now I click OK button. Okay, we have here a simple body, simple object. If we want to make a fillet on the edges, we need to click on this one option. This option is fillet. So now if you want to make a fillet on an edge, you need to select an edge which you want to edit. So for example, I select this one edge and I click here on fillet. And the effect has been successfully applied here. It looks really great now. Of course, if you want, you can modify radius. For example, I change it to 2 or maybe to 3. Of course, if you want, you can add here another edge. For example, I will add this one edge. So I click on it and I click on select. Then I click on this one edge again and it has been successfully selected. Then we need to click on preview mode again. So I click on it again and how you see, it really works. If you would like to use this effect for all edges, you need to check this option, use all edges, and then effect will be successfully applied, yeah? So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to use this option, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click here OK to save changes, and please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.